Investments in major infrastructure projects in recent decade has perhaps deepened bilateral relations between Kenya and China, as the two nations now boast of 400 billion shillings in trade volumes. Kenya is now keen to capitalize on the Chinese services sector, expected to top $10 trillion by 2033.
I know that we have very highly skilled young people in this country, and so we keep encouraging investors for the skills that are available in Kenya. Do not import those skills. Allow Kenyans to do so, to do those jobs, and then take care of these Kenyan employees well. Pay them well, give them good health care packages, good education packages for their children, and good retirement packages for themselves after they reach the retirement age.
The Kenya-China Economic Trade Association, which draws membership from 97 Chinese companies in Kenya, is aiming to increase number of Chinese firms in tourism, manufacturing, and construction sectors.
I think Kenya, because it's the best localization in Africa, and also very, the rule of law environment. So I think it will become the hub of the investment for Chinese companies into the Africa.
Separately, livestock farmers in remote areas will benefit from a last-mile initiative by Boehringer Ingelheim, which aims at availing veterinary services to address animal health challenges. The initiative, targeting sheep, goats, cattle, and chicken, will build the capacity of smallholder farmers in prevention and treatment of animal diseases.
I believe that with a good training program, working with the veterinary offices, in coordination, align a strategy, and then to focus in education and to focus in prevention much more than treat animal. This is the best way to approve and to secure food security.
When we use a lot of antibiotics in animals and we don't observe the necessary withdrawal periods, as often happens in milk, beef, eggs, and so on, then human beings consume a little bit of this. The bacteria and so on, microorganisms get exposed, and the microorganisms develop resistance.
According to Boehringer Ingelheim, annual losses by smallholder farmers in Africa from Newcastle disease of poultry and endoparasites exceed 81.9 billion shillings annually, while losses from East Coast fever and foot and mouth disease is about 35.1 billion shillings annually. Ronald Willie, News Hub Business.